Alright guys, we got the CSX eastbound in Clarksburg, West Virginia. Let's check it out. Let's see what's today's symbol on this train now. It could be m316-27 eastbound mixed freight train. Today is to celebrate and honor to my best friend Laura Parsons' birthday. So let's check it out and see what happens. Here we go. M316-27. That's right.
Alright, hey, are you guys familiar with what's going on at RS as far as PTC goes? No, I've heard of that. Okay. Well, PTC communication at RS is not going well. We're waiting on a part or something. So I'm going to put up the signal, but PTC is going to give you a fit. And you need to log off PTC to get through RS Tower. You should probably start seeing some yellow fences or whatever when you get closer. If you could let me know.
Okay, yes, we'll have to log out and pull through RS and then re-log back in.
Yeah, I think yesterday, I had one train yesterday, and I think they waited till they actually made it up the hill before they put it back on, but you guys will be able to tell when you get down there how it's getting funky, so, but yes, because if you don't do that, PTC will put you in emergency.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I haven't heard something or anything. Yeah, we'll probably wait till we get to the top hill, so we'll stop there and pause and re-log in. It might slow down for time.
Yeah, that's right. So, okay, so when you get past Lodgeville, I can't remember what Ford told me yesterday where he was at before he logged off, but he saw a yellow fence, and we had talked, and we got permission to just log off just to get through RS.
Okay, yeah, we'll keep it on. I'll let them know if I see anything.
Okay, thank you.
She breaks about 10 on and out. That's everything. Someone on the train is CSX M316-27 eastbound mixed freight train. The train originates from the Cincinnati, Ohio Queensgate Yard, heads east to Cumberland, Maryland, where it terminates at the Cumberland Yard on this Wednesday, March 27th, 2024, for Joshua and my YouTube channel. This is Joshua in your local Brandon hotspot, and we are out. Here comes the next video. Roll 'em.